As the virus ravages rural areas, the sorry picture of healthcare infrastructure in India's interiors is also coming to the fore. India Today team travelled to now that is about 60 kilometers from Lucknow. We found that a maternity centre at a hospital completely in shambles and is being used to store fodder. Here's a ground report.
COVID grip on rural India has exposed the grim health infrastructure in Uttar Pradesh. The second wave revealing the unpreparedness and civic apathy in Unnao district. This is the maternity centre in Hajipur village, completely in shambles and used by villagers to store fodder. The auxiliary nurse and midwife visits the village at times but never comes to centre.
ये कम से कम 7, 8, 10 साल के और इसके बीच में हमको
पहले तो यहाँ पर जो एएनएम होंगी वो आती रहती होंगी।
आती रहे हैं लेकिन एक ही 2 दिन आई हैं।
तो आप लोग इलाज के लिए कहाँ जाते थे?
बस सिकंदरपुर या उन्नाव।
कितना किलोमीटर?
अरे उन्नाव है करीब 18-20 किलो। हाँ।
The village headman pinned the blame on a predecessor for the shabby condition of the health centre.
इसका जवाब तो हमारे यहाँ पुराने प्रधान दे सकते हैं।
अच्छा।
जी, अभी हमारे पास कोई कागज भी नहीं है, ना हम इसका स्टेटमेंट दे सकते हैं। गांव वालों के कहने से पहले सोच लिया था कि यहाँ डॉक्टरों की व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए, एक लेडीज एक जेंट्स की व्यवस्था हम करेंगे।
I am here in the Unnao district and in the Hajipur village, and I want to show you the condition of A&M centers out here. You can just see the straw, the cow dung filled in the rooms which are supposed to be filled with medicines, with doctors, with A&M ladies, but nothing is out here. This is the ground reality. This is the harsh reality.
The situation is no different in Sathara village. The maternal and child welfare centre, which was built 10 years ago, bears a deserted look, with broken doors and dust all around.
Inside view is horrific. You can see the wastage of medicines inside this particular scene. You can see the vials of injections in the dustbin, while some being unused. The packets you can see quite visible right up in the slot. You can see some files that may be related to some patients of the villages, but it seems the room hasn't been opened since years.
Another community health centre in Makhi village tells the same tale. The health centre was started by Uttar Pradesh Assembly Speaker Hriday Narayan Dikshit 2 years ago. But after the inauguration, no healthcare staff was appointed in last 2 years.
अजय जी जब से खुला रहा बना है तब से का खुला है नहीं है। आदमी काहे के नहीं परेशान होकर जाए सब यहाँ पर गाड़ी और घोड़ा ऐसे साइकिल मोटर अंते ने या गाड़ी ही बलते ने पर लेकर आगे ऐसे वाहन ढूंढने पड़ती है।
We have come here to showcase the poor health facilities out here. Right behind me you can see the CHC Makhi. You can see it has been clearly mentioned and the building seems completely all right, all set to function. But the harsh reality is, since its inauguration by Vidhan Sabha President Hriday Narayan Dikshit in August 2019, the entire CHC is not operational. It's non-functional.
When India Today questioned the district administration, it pledged to improve facilities.
लगभग 215 के आसपास हमारे यहाँ एक्टिव केस बचे हुए हैं और बहुत जल्दी हम लोग और इसी तरीके से सैंपलिंग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करके कॉन्टैक्ट ट्रेसिंग करके और उनका ट्रीटमेंट करके हम और इसकी संख्या को कम करेंगे.
Sprucing up rural health infrastructure in Uttar Pradesh can greatly help beating the possible third wave and make healthcare accessible. Bureau Report, India Today.